ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யஹம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्त प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीतांबरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्ख कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानंद सांद्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषनभ्यो निरवधिक फलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीतांबरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good morning, everyone. Okay, we'll do a quick review of 29 and with the first 7 stanzas of 33. Aarti, can you do one of them?
Sure, Rajesh.
Can do, and then
29.
Okay. And Shobha, can you do 33?
Can I do 29? I only prepared for 29.
Okay,
நான்
Adri-
33 பண்றேன் ட்ரை
okay,
பண்றேன்
all right. Shubha, you go ahead with 29. Yeah.
Okay. Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Dashakam 29. Devanam Amruta Phalabdhi Prakara Varnanam. Udgachadastavaгаran Amrutam Sar Haratsu Taiteshutan Asharatan Anuniya Devan Satyastirodadita Deva Bhavat Prabhavat Udyat Swayudya Kalahadidija Babuhu Shyamam Ruchabi Vayasabi Tanum Tadanim Prabdosi Tunga Kuchamandala Banguram Tvam Piyusha Kumbha Kalaham Parimutya Sarve Krishna Kulah Pradiyayut Paduroja Kumbe Katvam Brigakshi Vibhajasvat Sudam Imamiti Arudaraga Vivashan Abhiyachadomun Vishwasyate Mahikadam Kuladasmidaityaha Idyalapannavi Suvishwasin Vasidanadanihi Modat Sudagas Lasam Lasham Eshu Tadatsu Satvam Tushchestidam Mama Sahatvam Idi Pruvana Pankti Prabeda Viniveshita Devadaitya Leela Vilasa Kadibi Samada Sudamtam Asmasviyam Pranayinitya Sureshu Deshu Yosham Sideshvada Samapya Sudam Sureshu Tvambhaktaloga Vashako Nijarupametya Swarbanumarta Paribida Sudam Vyalavihi Swadda Sudaharana Yogya Palam Pareshu Tatva Gade Dvai Surais Kalude Vyakrunan
Grihnan, te Vyagrinan.
Vyagrunan Gore de Murchadirane Validaitya Maya Vyamohite Suragane Swamihas Havirasihi
Tomiha Virasihi. The last, yeah.
Swamiha
Tomiha Virasihi.
Swamiha Virasihi.
Correct.
Vamkala name Madamali Mugan Jaganta Shukro Jagan Balijampa Balan Sabagan Sushkartra Dushkaravade Namuchod Chalune Benena Narada Giranya Runo Jaranam Tvam.
On the second line, Shakro, not Shukro. Okay, second line.
Second line Jagan Balijampa.
Shakro Jagana.
Shakro Jagan
Yeah,
Balijampa. Shakro.
No, go ahead. Keep going.
Yosha Babur Tanuja Mohanam Ahidam Te Shrutva Vilogana Kuduha Lavan Mahesha Uday Samam Girjaya Jagada Radafadam Te Sudva Pravida Abhimadam Tomado Tirodah Arama Simanicha Kanduga Gada Leela Lola Yamana Nayanam Kamani Manojam Vamesha Vikshya Vigalat Vasanam Manobu Vega Danunkari Buranga Samalilinga Uyo Bivitrudvadim Ubadavya Devo Virya Pramoksha Vigasan Paramartha Bodha Vanmanida Tava Mahatvam Uvacha Devyai Tattat Shrusatvam Avavada Nikedanada Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
And the last couple of small, the first line, right? Bhuyopi Vidrutavatim. And the just say that line. And the second line is ends with Bodaha, not Bodaha. So on the first two lines, yeah.
Sure. Bhuyo Bibidrutvadim
I think that's it. Vidruta. And the ta, I think you're making it a short half ta. It's Vidruta Vatim.
Vidrutane Putugrana.
I think you're saying Vidrut Vatim or something. It's Vidruta Vatim.
Bhuyo Bibidruta Davadim Ubadavya Devo Virya Pramoksha Vigasat Paramartha Bodha.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Dashakam 33. अम्बरीक्षचरितम् वैवस्वताख्यमनुपुत्र नभागजात नाभागनामकनरेन्द्रसुतोऽम्बरीषः सप्तार्णवावृतमहीदयितोऽपि रेमे त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि चमग्नमनाः सदैव त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव विदन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादपृतः प्रसादम् येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थं चक्रं भवान् प्रवितदारसहस्रदारम् सद्वादशी व्रतमतो भवदर्चनार्थं वर्षं ददौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम् तत्रातपारणदिने भवदर्चनान्ते दुर्वाससास्य मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे भोक्तुं हृदश्च सनृपेण परार्धिशीलो मन्दं जगाम यमुनां नियमान् विदास्यन् राज्ञातपारणमुहूर्तसमाप्तिके दात् वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदत दिव्यदृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् कृदो धृतजटो वितथान कृत्याम्.
Sarthi, in the last line, right? Kshipyan krudhot, not kr. It's a kru.
कृदो धृतजटो वितथान कृत्यां च तामसि धरां भुवनं दहन्तीम् अग्रे बिभीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्च कम्पे त्वद्भक्तबादमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनं ते कृत्यानलं शलभयन् मुनिमन्वदावीत् धावन्नशेष भुवनेषु बियास पश्यन् विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम् कः कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यभास्तः सर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्ततैव.
Very good. Okay, so we'll continue from 8. Anandji, you can be a student today. Lavanya, are you there today?
Rajesh, Lavanya is not there.
Okay.
I can do it.
Yeah. So stanza 8. Bhuyo bhavannilayamethya munim namantam proche bhavanaham nanu bhaktadasaha jnanam tapascha vinayanvitameva manyam yahyam bharisha padameva bhajeti bhuman. So we saw last time how we saw the background of Ambarisha, right, and how he was trying to do the Dwadasi, he was going to do the Parana, right, after the Ekadasi fast and everything. He has been doing it for a year. And then Durvasa comes, and then he had to, then Ambarisha took a sip of Tulasi water, and Durvasa got angry. Then he put the Kritya behind Ambarisha, and then Sudarshana Chakra came to protect him and all that. So then we saw how Durvasa wasn't chased all over. He first went to Brahma. Then Brahma said, even I am also bound by time and everything else. Then he went to Shiva. Shiva said, even I cannot help. So here, then what he finally does is, Ambarisha then goes to you. So Bhavan Nilayam. So he goes to your abode. He goes to where Vishnu Narayana itself, and then tells Narayana that I'm being chased by you, Sudarshana Chakra. So you have to please help me out. So Adhikar, the Lord then says that I myself am completely under the control of my devotees. So for people who are completely devoted to me, I am like their slave. So like we were chanting in the Dhyana Slokam, right? Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Like we ourselves are dasas of Krishna. And Narayana himself says, I myself am actually a slave of my devotees, right? And we'll see in the 89th chapter, I think 89th chapter, yeah, where Bhrigu, where all of the sages are, they're sitting and debating who is the most sattvic, right? Who is the most calm? And so they send Bhrigu. So Bhrigu first goes and insults Brahma. Then then because he gets upset. Then he goes and insults Shiva. Shiva gets angry. Then when Narayana is lying down, Bhrigu then goes and stamps Narayana on his chest, right? He goes and kicks because he calls and the Lord is not responding. So he kicks him in his chest. So at the time, the Lord wakes up and says, "Are you hurt?" That's how it starts with. So that's the kind of, the sattvic guna that is there. So here he's saying, I myself am bound, but not only that. He says, and this comes in Bhagavatam. He says, not only I am a dasa for my bhaktas, I am also a dasa for the people who are nice to my devotees of my devotees also. So it's not just the one layer of devotees, it's even the second layer of devotees. Even people who are connected to my devotees, I'm a dasa. So he says, I cannot do anything about it. So, and then here he also says that jnanam tapaha. So all the knowledge you have and all the tapas that you are doing, all the austerities and all the good things you're doing, it has to be combined with humility. If the humility is not there, then all the knowledge and the tapas and everything that you are doing is not worth it, right? It's not going to be amplified. It's only going to get diminished. So with that, he says, I can't help you. You have to go to Ambarisha himself, and you have to go to Ambarisha and then apologize. And he's the only one who can take care of you here. So bhuyo bhavan nilayam. There's a double na there. Bhavan nilayam etya munim namantam, comma, proche bhavana hamrishe nanu bhakta dasaha jnanam tapascha vinayanvitam eva manyam, comma, yahyambharisha. So you can say that together. Yahyambharisha padameva bhajeti bhuman.
Rajesh, one question. Vinayamna in artham? Vinayamna humility.
Yeah, Vinaya is humility, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Humility and the modesty combined with that's jnanam and tapa, adukku vinayam.
Vinayamna humility. Okay.
Yes.
Thanks.
Rajesh, comma on a second line, through
At the end of every line there's a comma, like namantam kapram comma, manyam kapram comma.
Okay.
At the end of the line. If you have a 4 line, end of each line. Bhuyo bhavan nilayametya munim namantam proche bhavana hamrishe nanu bhakta dasaha jnanam tapascha vinayanvitameva manyam yahyam barisha padameva bhajeti bhuman.
Bhuyo bhavan nilayametya munim namantam proje bhavana hamrishe nanu bhakta dasaha jnanam tapascha vinayanyadameva manyam yaham barisha padameva bhajeta bhuman.
So the last line, Anji, yahya, that's a ha and a ya combined. So yahyam barisha bhajeti, then bhajeti bhuman.
Bhuyo bhavan nilayametya munim namantam proje bhavana hamrishe nanu bhakta dasaha jnanam tapascha vinayanyadameva manyam yahyam barisha padameva bhajeti bhuman.
Bhuyo bhavan nilayametya munim namantam proche bhavana hamrishe nanu bhakta dasaha jnanam tapascha vinayanvitameva manyam yahyam barisha padameva bhajeti bhuman. Bhuyo bhavan nilayametya munim namantam proche bhavana hamrishe nanu bhakta dasaha jnanam tapascha vinayanvitameva manyam yahyam barisha padameva bhajeti bhuman.
Stanza 9. Tavat sametya munina sagrihita padho rajapasitya bhavadastramasavanausheet chakre gate muniradhada kilashishosmai tvad bhakti magasi krite pikrupam chashamsan. So then then Durvasa then comes back, right? So after that he comes back to Ambarisha and then he goes and falls on Ambarisha's feet. He falls on Ambarisha's feet, holds his feet, and then apologizes. So Ambarisha, being a very noble and a humble person, is very, feels very sad that Durvasa had to undergo all these things because he did not expect this to happen, because it was not even in his control, right? The Sudarshana Chakra came and then started chasing Ambarisha here. So then Ambarisha then prayed. He says, I completely forgive you. I have no qualms against it. And so he completely forgives Durvasa. and then the Sudarshana Chakra, then he, Ambarisha prays and Sudarshana Chakra goes away. So with that, Durvasa is also extremely happy and he blesses Ambarisha and everything. So Tavat Samepya Munina Sa Grihita Pado, comma, Rajapasritya. So try to say it together. Rajapasritya. The next word, you can break it into three if you want. Bhavat Astram Asavanaushit, if you want to. Bhavat Astram Asavanaushit. Or you can say it together. Bhavat Astram Asavanaushit. Chakre Gate. The next word, Muniradhat Akhilashishosmai. If you want to break it, you can break at the da. Muniradhat Akhilashishosmai, comma, Tvad Bhaktim Agasi Kritepi Kripam Cha Shamsan. Tavat Samhetya Munina Sagrihita Pado Raja Pasritya Bhavadastramasa Vanaushit Chakre Gate Muniradhada Kila Shishosmai Tvad Bhakti Magasi Kritepi Kripam Cha Shamsan.
तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीत पादो राजा बसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसौ नौषीत् चक्रे गदे मुनिरधागिलाशिशोऽस्मि तद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपां च शंसन्.
So Anuj, the second line, Bhavad Astram Asavanaushi. I heard Sau there.
Masava.
Bhavad Astram Asa. Yeah, Ma, and then there should be a Sa, not a Sau.
Oh.
Sa. Bhavad Astram Asavanaushit. And then the last.
Naushit, isn't it?
Yeah. See, the thing is, if it is Asau and Anoshit. If it's two different words, it would have been written as Asau and Anoshit. But when you write it together, it becomes Asava Naushit.
Okay.
Asava Naushit. And then the last line is Tvad Bhaktim, not Tad Bhaktim. Tvad.
I always confused with the Tohanta. Tavat Sametya Munina Sagrihita Pado Raja Basritya Bhavadastramasavanaushit Chakre Gede Muniradhagila Shishosmi Tadbhakti Magasi Kritepi Kripam Cha Shamsan.
Tavat Sametya Munina Sagrihita Pado Raja Pasritya Bhavadastram Asavanaushit Chakre Gate Munirada Dakila Shisosmai Twadbhakti Magasi Kritepi Kripam Cha Shamsan. Tavat Sametya Munina Sagrihita Pado Raja Pasritya Bhavadastram Asavanaushit Chakre Gate Muniradad Akila Shisosmai Twadbhakti Magasi Kritepi Kripam Cha Shamsan.
Stanza 10. Raja Pratiksha Munimeka Samhamanashwan Sambhojya Sadhutam Rishim Visrujan Prasannam Bhuktva Swayam Tvaitatopi Dridham Rato Bhute Sahyujyama Pachasamam Pavane Shapaya. So now, while Durvasa, was going to all these places, remember Ambarisha is still waiting, right? Because he's waiting for Durvasa to come back. So the Raja is Pratiksha. He has been waiting for Ekasama for 1 year, 1 full year. He has been waiting for Durvasa to come back. Because remember, Durvasa had to go to all these other places, right? So in the earth years, it took him an year for Durvasa to come back. And the king was waiting for almost a year without partaking his food. And then once Durvasa came back, then Sambhoja, then he fed the sage and all his disciples. And then he also kind of broke his Dwadashi, the Ekadashi fast on Dwadashi day. So it took him exactly 1 year. And then eventually, then he became even more devoted to the Lord because of everything that has happened. And eventually Sayujyam, he attains union with the Lord itself. So that Guru Vairappa, please protect me. So with that, it ends the Ambarisha. Like we said, this starts off with Parikshit asking Sukha Brahman, tell me about one of your top devotees who, even though was cursed by a Brahmin and a sage, nothing happened to him, right? So how was he so devoted that nothing happens to him? And that's when Sukabrahman then gives the story of Ambarisha here. So Raja Pratiksha, this next word you can break it into Munim Ekasamam Anashwan, if you want to break it. Munim Ekasamam Anashwan, comma, Sambhojya Sadhu Tamrishim Visrijan Prasannam Bhuktva Swayam Twai Tatopi Dridham Rato Bhut. So if you don't have a it there, put a it at the end of that line, Rato Bhut and a comma. Next line, if you have a half ta, it in the next line, remove that off. Sayujyam apa. It starts with the sa. Sayujyam apa cha samam pavanesha payaha. Raja pratiksha munimeka samhamanashwan sambhojya sadhutam rishim visrijan prasannam bhuktva swayam tvai tatopi dridham rato bhute sayujyama pachasamam pavanesha payaha.
Raja Pradishya Munimeka Samamanashwan Sambhojya Sadhutam Rishim Visrajan Prasannam Bhuktva Swayam Toyi Tatopi Dridham Rato Bhut Sayujyama Pachasamam Pavanesha Payaha. Raja Pradishya Munimeka Samamanashwan Sambhojya Sadhutam Rishim Visrajan Prasannam Bhuktva Swayam Toyi Tatopi Dridham Rato Bhut Sayujyama Pachasamam Pavanesha Payaha.
Rajesh, the Sayujyama.
Sayujyam.
Yujyam. Okay.
Sayujyam.
Raja Pratikshya Munimeka Samam Anashwan Sambhojya Sadhu Tamrishim Visrajan Prasannam Bhuktva Swayam Tvayi Tatopi Dridham Rato Bhut Sayujyama Pachasamam Pavanesha Payaha. Raja Pratiksha Munimeka Samam Anashwan Sambhojya Sadhu Tamrishim Visrajan Prasannam Bhuktva Swayam Tvayi Tatopi Dridham Rato Bhut Sayujyama Pachasamam Pavanesha Payaha.
Krishnaya Parabrahmane. Completes 33. So we'll move on to 39. So I think from now till pretty much the end of it, right, till 88, it's all Krishna related, right? So 39 is where in 38 was birth of Krishna, right? And then in the last stanza of that, then the Vasudeva is instructed to now go from Mathura to Gokulam and then exchange, right? So that's what happened. And then Vasudeva then starts walking. That's what happens at the end of 39. So we'll see 39 is where 38, sorry. 39 is where he's able to go and exchange, and then the Devi then comes to Mathura. So stanza, first one. Bhavantamayamudvahan yadukulodvaho nissaranhe dadarsha gaganochala jalabharam kalindatmajam aho salila sanchaya sapunaraindrajalo dito jalauga iba takshanat prapadame yatamayayo. So when Vasudeva then starts lifting Krishna, right, like we saw last time, and then he starts going through. So first, like we said, it was heavily raining. We kind of saw that last time in the 38th stanza, last stanza. And then we saw how Adishesha came for protection against the rain. So then when he comes to Yamuna, Kalindi is referring to Yamuna. So the river Yamuna. So when he comes to Yamuna, then he sees that because of the rain, there is a heavy flood. It's actually rising up to the sky, just to kind of say that the water level was extremely high. Right. So then when that happens, then when he then comes there, just like even during the Rama Avataram, when the bridge was being constructed, then the water level did go down so that they can actually go construct the bridge easily. Right. Similarly here, when Vasudeva comes, it says the water levels dropped almost up to his ankle level, right? It actually dropped down. So he could then continue to go, he take Krishna and then go. As if it is Indrajalam, as if it is pure magic, the water level actually dropped because Kalindi then gave way for Vasudeva to take the baby over to Gokulam. That's what is happening here in the first one. So Bhavantam Ayam Udvahan, if you want to break it. Bhavantam Ayam Udvahan Yadu Kulodvaho Nissaran, comma, Dadarsha Gaganochalaj. So this is ich cha Gaganochalaj Jalabharam Kalindatmajam. So there's an ich and a ja coming there. Gaganochalaj Jalabaram Kalindatmajam. Aho, I think this one can do two lines, I think, or let's try 4. If it's finding it hard, we can do 2. Aho Salila Sanchayaha is there. Put a is there. Sanchayas Sa Punaraindra Jalodito. That is one word. Is Punar Indra Jalodito, but it becomes Punaraindra Jalodito, comma, Jaloga Iva Takshanat Prapada Meyatam Ayayav.
Question, Rajesh. Tadarsha Gagano Chala Jala. Are we going to say J and a J together, or are we going to break? I didn't understand how you broke it.
Yeah. So it is. See, it's actually Chalat. It's the real word is Chalat and then Jalabaram. Okay. But when you have the it and the ja coming, it becomes a ij. The ta it becomes a ij in between, right? So it is Gagano Chalaj Jalabaram.
Okay, so we can keep it combined, not
Yes.
break.
Yeah, you don't have to break. Yeah, you don't have to break it. I'm just saying, like, just for you to put a divider, but you're saying the whole word together, really.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
The
Rajesh ji,
tune is
the
kind of, I thought the 4-liner will be like Sandrananda Bodhatmakam Mari illa. Konja different
This is not like that Sandran, not on the
4-liner nonna na appdi nancha appdi illa idu and
because you can't say it that way. It's not long enough to say it that way.
there is a 2 dashakams in Malayalam. It's a Vanamala. It says a Pridhi meter. So the Pridhi meter, they always break it in the middle. So for example, Bhavan Damayamuddahan Yedukulodaho Nisaran Dadarsha Gaganoj. That similar meter they will Pridhi. It's called Pridhi in Malayalam. It says.
Correct. And that's what the meter says, but this is how I learned it.
Yeah. Rajesh, the last 4th line, the last one, how do we say Pramada Meyata?
Prapadha, actually. Prapadha Meyatam Ayayav. Prapadha Meyatam Ayayav.
Pramada Meyatam Ayayo.
Yeah, Prapada, Pa.
Prapata Meyatam Ayayo.
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Bhavantamayamudvahan Yadukulodvaho Nissaran Dadarsha Gaganochala Jalabharam Kalindatmajam Aho Salila Sanchaya Sapunaraindra Jalodito Jalauga Iva Takshanat Prapadame Yatam Hayayo.
Bhavandamayamuddhahan Yedukulodaho Nissaran Dadarsha Gaganochala Jalabaram Kalindatmajam Aho Salila Sanchaya Sapunarendra Jalo Dido Jaloga Ivatatshanat Pramadame Yatamayayo.
So the third line, Anji, Punaraindra, the I sound has to come. Punaraindra. Yeah, correct.
Punaraindra.
Correct. And then the last line, Prapada, not Pramada. Prapada.
Bhavandamayamudvahan Yedukuloddaho Nissaran Dadarsha Gaganojala Jalabaram Kalindatmajam Aho Salila Sanjaya Sapunarendra. Correct. Is it correct?
Yeah, Punaraindra.
Aho Salila Sanjaya Sapunarendra Jalo Dido Jaloga Ivatatshanat Prapatame Yatamayayo.
Swami mute lirke.
भवन्तमयमुद्वहन् यदुकुलोद्वहो निस्सरन् ददर्श गगनोच्चल कलिन्दात्मजाम् अहो सलिलसञ्चयस्य जालोदितो जलौघ इव तत्क्षणात् प्रपदमेयतामाययौ. Sorry, the tune is like
That's
going
okay.
off.
Yeah.
भवन्तमयमुद्वहन् यदुकुलोद्वहो निस्सरन् ददर्श
Gaganochchalaj. Yeah.
गगनोच्चलजलभरां कलिन्दात्मजाम् अहो सलिलसञ्चयस्य जालोदितो जलौघ इव तत्क्षणात् प्रपदमेयतामाययौ.
Stanza 2. And this tune, I think, Yeshu, like you're asking, in a lot of other chapters will be this tune, because it's 4-liners, but not quite long enough, like 24 and 1, right? Stanza 2. Prasupta pashupalikam nibrutamarudat balikam apavritagavatikam pashupavatikam vishan Bhavantamayam prasavatalpake tatpadhat vahan kapatakanyakam swapuramagato vegataha. So now when Krishna was born, right, at that time it was Ashtami when Krishna was born, and then the clock had crossed over into Navami, and then Yogamaya Devi was born on Navami day. So now this happened because when Vasudeva was then taking Krishna, and then because the Yogamaya was born after midnight and everything, because also of the Maya, all of the people had fallen asleep in Gokulam as well. And Yashoda at that time did not know the gender of the baby, right? Whether it was a boy or girl. They had also, maybe they had forgotten, or it was late, and they are all of them are also sleeping, so they didn't know about it. So when Vasudeva then comes with Krishna, then it's completely dark, right? And he's just coming in there. Everything is shut. So the only way he knew where Nandagopa's house was. But when he came to Nandagopa's house, the only sound he could hear was a baby crying. And everybody else was asleep. The doors were open, just like how it was in Mathura. So that was how Vasudeva was able to then go locate where the baby was, because he heard the baby crying. So then where he saw the Balikam, he saw the girl, who was then placed on the Prasava Talpake. It was still on the labor cot, right, where Yashoda was. So he then goes and takes a Kapata Kanyakam, means like a trick or a cunning infant, right? Kanyakam, a female child. So he then, Vasudeva then takes the girl, swaps the girl, puts Krishna there, takes Yogamaya on, and then he comes back to Mathura. And once he comes back to Mathura, then he comes and changes himself back, right, to normal, how it was before Krishna was born. Prasupta Pashu Palikam. So I think this Pashu Palikam, you'll hear it consistently in the next 20-30 chapters, referring to the Gopas and the Gopikas 3, right? So Pashu Palikam, Nibrutham Arudad. You can break at that ma. Nibrutham Arudad Balikam. So put the im at the end of that line and comma. Balikam, comma. Next line, that Mapavrita becomes Apavrita. Apavrita Kavatikam Pashupa Vatikam Avishan. Pashupa Vatikam Avishan. Bhavantam Ayam Arpayan. So you can break it into 3. Bhavantam Ayam Arpayan. Prasava Talpake. So the next you put a plus between the third and the fourth line. So say that together. So the fourth line you have, if some books might have dwa, the and the va together. So you put the it at the end of the third line. So tat padat, then vahan kapata kanyakam. Okay, so you can just, that will be easier to say it that way. So tat padat, put a plus, vahan kapata kanyakam Swapuram agato vegataha. Okay, because
the first line, the Nibrida Marudat or Maruda.
Nibritam arudad.
Arudad. Okay.
Yeah.
Two das.
Two das, yeah. Prasupta Pashupalikam Nibritamarudad Balikam Apa Vritakawatikam Pashupavatikama Vishan Bhavantamayamarpayan Prasavatalpake Tatpadatvahan Kapatakanyakam Swapurama Vegataha.
So the last two lines have no comma.
No
Continue.
comma, that is together. Yeah, because Tat Padat in the previous line is that place. Vahan is to take. So taking from that place. So that way it kind of comes together. There's those two lines.
Prasupta Pashupalikam Nibritamarudad Balikam Apavradakavadikam Pashupavadika Ma Vishan Bhavandama Mayamarpayan Prasavatalpake Tatpadad Vahan Kapatakanyakam Swapurama Gato Vekataha.
And the second line, Apavrita Kavatikam. Just say that word again.
Apavradakavadika.
Yeah, correct. Okay.
Prasupta Pashupalikam Nibritamarudad Balikam Apavradakavadikam Pashupavadika Vishan Bhavandamayam Prasabatalpage Tatpadad Vahan Kapatakanyakam Swapurama Gato Vekataha.
Prasupta Pashupalikam Nibritam Arudat Balikam Apavrita Kavatikam Pasupavatikam Avishannem Bhavantamayamarpayan Prasavatalpake Tatpadat Vahan Kapatakanyakam Swapurama Vegataha. Prasupta Pashupalikam Nibritamarudad Balikam Apavrita Kavatikam Pasupavatikam Avishan Bhavantamayamarpayan Prasavatalpake Tatpadat Vahan Kapatakanyakam Swapurama Vegataha.
Stanza 3.
Rajesh,
That-
quick question. Sorry. The third line kum fourth line ku plus unda illa apdiye like without plus going.
Plus irukku. There's a plus between. Yeah. Stanza 3. Tatastwadanujara vakshapita nidravegadravad bhattotkara nivedita prasava vartaye vartiman vimukta chikurotkarastwaritamapatan bhojarat atushta iva drishtavan bhaginika kare kanyakam. So then Tvad Anuja means younger sister. So he's saying, but your younger sister, so Devi, who has now come into the cell with Vasudeva and Devaki. So then she's Rava, she starts crying now because newborn. So the baby starts crying. And when the baby starts crying, what happens is all the guards who were actually asleep now all of a sudden wake up. They all are expecting that eighth baby because they know Devaki is pregnant, right? So when they hear the sound of the baby crying, they immediately then in the middle of the night or early in the morning, whatever that is, they immediately rush to Kamsa and then go inform him of the news that the eighth child has been born, right? What you were waiting for. So at that time, so Kamsa, then he's in the middle of sleep. So he wakes up in the middle of the sleep. And normally a king has certain, protocols. They dress up in a certain way and all that before they appear in front of any place. But here it says he was so agitated. He was so excited to first go and get rid of that baby that he didn't even make up his hair. So that's what it says here. Chikura, his hair was even like this. It was like all over the place. He didn't even get his hair dressed. He just woke up in the middle of the night. When he was woken up, he then immediately rushed. And then he rushes to the cell. And then when Bhojaraj, so when he comes there, Bhojaraja, he is surprised. he is surprised, is also confused, right? Because he was expecting a boy to be born, the one who's supposedly going to be killing him. But then he then sees a Bhagini Kakare Kanyakam in the hands of his Bhagini, hands of his sister. He then sees a girl baby in the hands of his sister. So he's really confused and surprised as to what is happening here. So so again, the first two lines, we'll do this two lines. The first two lines are together. Okay, so you have to put a plus there. And this is a little bit hard to break it or difficult to say it, but I will try to break it easily. So tatas tvadanuja, tvad right, sisters, remember that. Tatas tvadanuja rava shapita. So rava is one word, shapita is one word. So you can easily split it. Tatas tvadanuja rava shapita nidra vega dravad. Nidra vega dravad, and then put a plus. Bhatotkara nivedita prasava vartayai vartiman. So that you say it together. Vartayai vartiman. Tatastvadanujara vakshapita nidra vega dravad bhatotkara nivedita prasava vartayai vartiman.
तदस्तदनुजारवक्षवितनिद्रवेगद्रवद् भडोत्करन् निवेदितप्रसववार्तये वार्तिमान् तदस्तदनुजारवक्षवितनिद्रवेगद्रवद् भडोत्करन् निवेदितप्रसववार्तये वार्तिमान्
ततस्त्वदनुजारवक्षपित निद्रवेगद्रवद् द्रवद् भटोत्कर निवेदित प्रसव वार्तयै वार्तिमान् ततस्त्वदनुजारवक्षपित निद्रवेगद्रवद् भटोत्कर निवेदित प्रसव वार्तयै वार्तिमान्
Bimukta chikurot karas tvaritam apatan. You can break it that ma. Tvaritam apatan bhojarat. Put it there at the end of it, right? Bhojarat and then a comma. Next line, the da that you have, replace it with a a. Atushta iva drishtavan bhaginika kare kanyakam.
Rajesh, what is the meaning of Bojarad?
Bojarat is Boja. He's a Kamsa is also called as the king. Boja, the land, the area which he was is the Boja Raja, means the king of Boja.
Oh, okay.
He's referring to essentially Kamsa there. Vimukta chikurotkaras tvaritama patan Bojarat. Atushta iva drishtavan bhaginika kare kanyakam.
Vimukta chigirotkaras turidamapatan bojarad. Adushta iva drishtavan bhaginika kare kanyakam. Vimukta chigirotkaras turidamapatan bojarad. Adushta iva drishtavan bhaginika kare kanyakam.
Rajesh, the third line at the end, do we say Bhojarat ta or ta?
Ta, first ta.
Okay.
Vimukta chikurotkaras tvaritamaapatan bojarat atushta iva drishtavan bhaginika kare kanyakam. Vimukta chikurotkaras tvaritamaapatan bojarat atushta iva drishtavan bhaginika kare kanyakam.
This time we'll do one more stanza and we'll stop today. 4. Dhruvam kapatashalino madhuharasya maya bhavet asa vitikishorikam bhaginika karalingitam Dviponalinikantaraadibamrinalikamakshipan ayam tvadanujamajam upalapattake pishtavan. So Kamsa then says, this girl, definitely, Madhuharasya must be the trick that Vishnu has actually played on me, right? Because remember, Narada had once gone and told him the number you can count from anywhere and put it in a circle and all that. So he's like confused. And he says that, this is definitely some trick that Vishnu is playing. This is the 8th child. That's what it was said. The 8th child is going to kill me. So this is the child, right? So then when he goes, then at the time, Bhagini ka kara lingitam. So Devaki is holding the baby in her hand and is alangitam. She's hugging the baby at the time. So when Kamsa then goes and tells her to give it, so Devaki says, my brother, like, why would you want to kill it? Remember, this is going to be like your daughter-in-law, right? Like, this is, you are my brother and your son will be marrying my daughter. So this is as if this is your daughter-in-law. And plus, this is a girl. So you haven't stooped down so low that you're going to go and kill a girl child. You've already killed 7 of my children. Why do you want to go kill a 8th child who is going to be your daughter-in-law? There's nothing this child can actually do to you. Devaki then pleads, right, that please spare my daughter at this time. But Kamsa is not convinced, right? So he said, I know this is some trick. And what he does is, and here Bhattaripad is in his poetic way, he says, Nalini Kantaradiva, just like how an elephant, when it goes to a pond and then it sees a lotus flower, the lotus flower is tender, it is small, it is sitting in the water. The elephant is huge, it's got a huge trunk, but with its trunk, it can go and just pluck that lotus flower out of that water from the pond. In a similar way, like we said earlier, Devaki is hugging the baby, Kamsa goes and snatches away the baby's feet, right, from Devaki, just like how an elephant plucks it. And then what he does is Ajam. Ajam means the one who's birthless, who doesn't have any birth or death, because Devi or Yogamaya is a part of Vishnu. There's no separation, right, between Devi and Vishnu here. So he then plucks his baby, and then Upala Pattake Pishtavan means he then goes and tries to smash it on a solid rock, which is inside the cell there. So that's why I think we'll stop here. But this is like all the serial, all the episodes will stop at the critical point. He's plucking and then putting it. We'll see what happens in the next episode, right? So Dhruvam Kapata Shalino Madhu Harasya Maya Bhavet. Put it at the end of that line. Bhavet, comma. Next line, the da becomes a. Asaviti Kishorikam Bhagini Bhaginika Karalingitam. Karalingitam means alingitam is to hug. Kara means hand. So Karalingitam. Dhruvam Kapatashalino Madhuharasya Maya Bhavete Asaviti Kishorikam Bhaginika Karalingitam.
Dhruvam Kapadashalino Madhuharasya Maya Bhavet Asa Vidikishorikam Bhaginika Karalingitam. Dhruvam Kapadashalino Madhuharasya Maya Bhavet Asa Vidikishorikam Bhaginika Karalingitam.
Dhruvam Kapatashalino Madhuharasya Maya Bhavet Asaviti Kishorikam Bhaginika Karalingitam. Dhruvam Kapatashalino Madhuharasya Maya Bhavet Asaviti Kishorikam Bhaginika Karalingitam.
Dvipo Nalini Kantaradiva. Nalini Kantaradiva Mrinali Kam Akshipan. Put a in at the end of that line, the comma. Mrinali Kam Akshipan, comma. Next line, if you have in and a na and everything, strike it, put a. I am Twad Anujam. Twad Anujam Ajam. So that way it's easy to break it. Twad Anujam Ajam means your sister who is Aja, who is birthless. Twad Anujam Ajam Upala Pattake Pishtavan. Dvipo Nalini Kantaradiva Mrinali Kamakshipanne Ayam Tvadanujam Ajam Upala Pattake Pishtavan.
Dipo Nalini Kantaradiva. Can I repeat one more time?
Yeah.
Dipo Nalini Kantaradiva Mrinali Kamakshipan अयं तदनुजामजाम् मुबलपट्टके पिष्टवान् दीपो नलिनिकान्तरा दिवमृणालिकामाक्षिपन् अयं तदनुजामजाम् मुबलपट्टके पिष्टवान्
द्विपो नलिनीकान्तरादिवमृणालिकामाक्षिपन् अयं त्वदनुजामजाम् उपलपट्टके पिष्टवान् द्विपो नलिनीकान्तरादिवमृणालिकामाक्षिपन् अयं त्वदनुजाम् अजाम् उपलपट्टके पिष्टवान्
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namah.
परब्रह्मणे नमः
सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।